Hello, welcome to the Legal 6 Airsoft video. We've got a quick test here just to demonstrate Arp9 that come in, and the request was to repair the ETU G&G ETU MOSFET. So we soldered a new trigger switch on there, so hopefully that lasts for a good while for you, and also to, if we could, to shorten the trigger pull of the trigger. So what we do is we install a small grub screw, which essentially just pivots the trigger towards closer to the switch, therefore taking out any of the slack. So we just wanted to obviously demonstrate that now, just to, you know, for clarity. So if we put it onto single shot, and you can see sort of it's quite a lot shorter, if you know what I mean, than the original trigger pull. Obviously still full auto remains the same. One thing that's worth pointing out though is because obviously we've physically moved it now closer to it, so safety is still there. However, you can actually physically squeeze through safety if you were to pull it hard enough. So if I yank safe, you can actually make it activate, because like I say, it is sitting so close to it. So it is technically adjustable. If you can actually figure out how to get a grub screw into that thing there, you can take it back to sort of how it was originally, or further away anyway. And then obviously eventually once it gets far enough away, it will start to act normal, because you won't be able to physically force through the plastic in order to operate the actual switch. So just bear in mind that obviously in terms of safe, you know, it's better with this particular gun to obviously just, you know, take your hand off the gun, and you know, as you get into the safe zone, and you know, obviously if people are worried, just unplug it, you know, or put it down and just don't sit there standing with your finger on the trigger, you know. So just requires a little bit of a conscious effort in terms of the gun, but like I say, it technically still has safe. It's just, you know, if you were to sit here, you know, deliberately yanking it, if you know what I mean, so you can activate it through it. So you see there how it just doesn't activate it, you know. So so in terms of sort of just hanging around, but we would be a little bit remiss if we didn't at least point out that it is possible to, you know, pull it hard enough to actually make it activate. So all right, cool. Well, hopefully that's exactly what you wanted out of it, since that's what you requested, and I hope you enjoy it. So thank you.